Welcome to Allday Time Systems FreeTime Training Guide. In this guide, we will cover how to access FreeTime Prime via the web, how to log in with valid credentials, and how to perform a password reset. First, we will be looking at how to access FreeTime Prime via the web and how to log in with valid credentials. To access your FreeTime Prime on the web, enter this web address. Then, once on the FreeTime Prime website, enter the email address and password you have been given. Complete the captcha, then click the Login button to access FreeTime Prime. Next, we will be looking at how to reset a forgotten password. To reset your password, select the Forgotten Password link. A pop-up will then prompt you to enter your email address and complete the captcha. And when finished, click Submit. Instructions on how to reset your password will then be sent to the email address previously entered. Thank you for completing this guide. For any other queries, feel free to contact Allday Time Support.